Hello Internet, on today's documentation of my lockpicking adventures we are going to hopefully open this master lock number 575. And there we go. Alright, some background on this lock. It is the lock I've had in my possession the longest. And its origins are also a personal choice result. In April of 2015, I joined the Air Force and went to Air Force Basic Military Training. Now, as part of the setup in the Air Force equivalent of barracks, dorms, we had 2 drawers we got to use in addition to a cabinet for hanging uniforms and other things. One drawer was open. The second drawer was the quote-unquote security drawer, which you had to open for inspection if anybody ever asked. Well, at least in 2015, this was the lock they made you buy for that drawer. And it has, when I took up lockpicking, I set this as my original goal to open lock, because goals are important when you want to achieve and get better at stuff. So now that this goal has been opened, my next goal is opening up these. These are Commando locks, or at least Commando brand locks. And these have 10-pin cores versus this, which had a 5-pin core lock with security pins in there. The makeup of this lock isn't that different from the Master Lock 570, which I've opened up in a previous documentation. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like. And congratulations for me for achieving my first major lockpicking goal.